Hi, I'm Kimberly Simon, a potential tenant for you. I know how difficult it can be choosing the right tenant based on an application, so I'd like to invite you into my world so you can learn a little bit more about me in order to make your decision process a little easier. Come on in. So as a potential landlord, answering the biggest questions you would have is, would I be able to pay the rent and would I take care of your property? The answer is yes. I am going through the same thing that you're going through right now. I own my home that I'm sitting in Basalt, Colorado, which is about 20 miles from Aspen, where I used to work. I'm also going to be getting a tenant, so I understand what you're going through. Because I do have 2 dogs and a cat, I wanted to let you know more about them so you can understand also what kind of responsible pet owner I am. So let me introduce you to those guys. So these are my 2 dogs. This is Soji, which is short for Sojourner, and this is Denali. He is 6 years old and she is 5 years old, and they are both rescue dogs. Come. Good, come. Good, come. Sit. Good, sit. Good, sit. Lay down. Good, lay down. Good, lay down. Leave it. Good. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. It is typical in Colorado to walk your dogs or hike with your dogs off leash. I, however, like to maintain a certain level of control, so I do keep vibration collars on my dogs whenever they are off leash.
Come on, come. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl.
So keeping my dogs socialized is important to me, so once a week my dogs go to doggy daycare and they have a lot of fun with a bunch of other dogs. Come on, guys.
Soji and Nolly come here about once or twice a week and have a great time.
Hi, baby. He hates it when I try to kiss him. Okay, ready? So, as you can see, my third pet is a cat. This is Gandhi. He's been with me for 18 years, so I'm not sure he's actually going to be making the trip to Dallas with me. We'll have to see. But I want to assure you, he has never in his life once peed on a carpet. So I get that landlords who rent to tenants with pets have concerns about their doors getting scratched. I don't want my doors scratched either. So what I have done in my own home is I have several Soji screens and I just place them in front of the doors and it's protected them. And as you can see, this is actually made out of rice paper and it's never been destroyed. So I understand another concern would be care of carpets. I do have a 3-bedroom home and all the bedrooms are carpeted, so I also understand that. The carpet that I have is the carpet that was originally in this home when I bought it over 6 years ago. And as you can see, at least the part we're showing you is not stained. It's not that dogs are never gonna throw up. They will on occasion. It's just that I happen to have my own carpet cleaner, so I take care of it right away. So thank you for considering me and my pets as tenants for your home. I can promise you, you won't be sorry.
Okay, still rolling.
Denali, what are you doing? She's like, you got the leashes out. Why aren't we going anywhere? Okay, you guys going out, 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 out. That is why I want to take him back though, because I want him to experience a backyard in Texas again. Dude, it was going so well.